Guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decorations indoor available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have TURNMEON Halloween Decoration Indoor. All of our pillow covers are made to ensure a snug fit. Each listing size refers to the pillow insert size and not the pillow cover size. This is the authentic high-quality TURNMEON pillow cover. And it's super easy to stuff pillows fillers into this pillow covers. At number 4 we have lansian Halloween Decoration Indoor. This horror picture frame is designed for Halloween decoration. The haunted and spooky look will make your family and friends immersed in a terrifying and surprising atmosphere, perfect decor for Halloween masquerade parties haunted. At number 3 we have Hami Halloween Decoration Indoor. The combination of light and gnome has been known to guard home. Their bodies emit warm light and a short plush white beard will bring you warmth and joy, and provide a comfortable and fairy tale effect interior decoration. The gnome is made of faux fur beard and soft cotton hat. At number 2 we have TURNMEON Halloween Decoration Indoor. This Halloween black spooky wreath outer diameter is 15 inches, inner diameter is 6.5 inches. It is suitable for Halloween indoor and outdoor decorations. You can hang this Halloween wreath on your door and show your neighbors or friends a welcome. At number 1 we have tapesb Halloween Decoration Indoor. It's a best Halloween gift for teens and kids. Halloween throw blanket is usually used to decorate the couch, sofa, bed and Halloween table decorations. The blanket is soft, lightweight, thin and machine washable. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decorations indoor for your need.